Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Welcome to day 2 of cocktail week. Today we're going to be enjoying a caipirinha. This is a Brazilian drink. It is very lethal, so be careful with this. But it's really tasty. Before we do anything, if you haven't subbed, please sub and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make this. So for a caipirinha, you need to use Cachaça. This is a cane sugar liqueur, which is very strong, guys. But you can replace this with light rum, or you can make a caipiroska with some vodka. So whatever you want, they're all good choices. So we're going to cut this lime into 8 pieces. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I don't have a muddler, so I'm gonna use a wooden spoon. We want to squeeze out that juice and mix it in well with the sugar. Like this. I'm gonna add some ice, and I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of cachaça. And that's it. Salud. Oh, yes. This is very nice. Very strong, but very nice. It's something that you would sip very carefully on a warm afternoon with, next to the grill. Good stuff. If you want this to be sweeter, just add more sugar. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll make frozen strawberry margaritas.